Hi guys, welcome back to my Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, and I'm back with another lit video. For those who don't know me, hi, I'm Lungile TV, popularly known as Blue Sparkles, and as you guys saw by the title of today's video, we're gonna be doing a wash day. I literally don't remember the last time I washed my hair, so today I was like, you know what, let me just deep condition, the vibes. But then anyway guys, yeah, I'm about to go wash my hair right now, and I'm gonna show you the products that I be using and stuff like that. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it.
Something that I honestly recommend is this hair mayonnaise, which is very good for deep conditioning and moisturizing your hair. And next I've got this Native Child milk and honey moisturizer cream, which moisturizes and detangles and also conditions. And then I've got this fat protein neutralizing shampoo from Dark and Lovely, and I highly recommend it as well.
Before y'all be coming at me and stuff like that, I'm not naked. I'm just wearing this swimsuit of mine, and yeah, because y'all, I know y'all literally gonna come at me. So anyway, yo, I look dark. I know what's wrong with this lighting.
So what I'm gonna do right now is just wet my hair so that I can keep it all damp for the shampoo.
This water is so hot, guys. Yeah, well, firstly, I'm gonna rinse wet my hair so that it can be easier to shampoo and stuff like that. You know when you try to keep your eyes open because you want to see the demons that are around you while you get plundered by the soul and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm gonna use this shampoo as I showed you guys. So yeah, the cap is broken. Cap is literally broken.
As y'all have seen, I've applied the shampoo, and now I'm just gonna massage my scalp and make sure that the shampoo is thoroughly in there. And yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna remove all the dandruff that has been here with this comb. I don't know, Afro pick or whatsoever they call it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna rinse my hair. White people, I'm not anyways anything like that, but when white people get out of the swimming pool, they be like, and then when we black people get out of the swimming pool, we just guys, relax, literally relax. Yeah. I'm almost done washing my hair.
At this point, I'm just gonna straighten my hair so that I can get rid of all the knots and try to detangle it, if that makes sense. So yeah.
I think I'm done. I lost the clip, so using this. What's this? It's a experience. It's a higher level of conditioning and moisturizing. So I'm just using it and trying to straighten my hair and some of that. My hair in sections and quarters, because it's gonna be easier for me to unplait, and then doing many of the knots and Guys, I literally have to do a sit down conversation with you guys. I just don't get time nowadays because it's literally the week before the schools open and I don't have to get my shit together because I have a speech that I have to do. So I'm just gonna tie this one. I have a speech that I have to do. I have some studying that I have to do. And yeah. I just hope by the time that I unplait my hair, everything will be like all straight and stuff. And it was like stretch. I'm gonna come back tomorrow though. I should make some peaceful. Like my hair is literally slippery to a point that I can't even get this rubber band around. Yes, sir.
Y'all can literally notice how my hairline is declining. Guys, please recommend products for hairlines.
I so wish I could have like gang ass products for my hair. Get sponsored or something. Especially if I get products, you know. I know Native Child is one of like the good products, but that's the only like products, hair products that I've heard about recently. I don't know about the rest. I don't use Dark and Lovely. It's just this some pure only. Yeah, Native Child. I'm gonna try that out actually. I'm gonna try those products out. So, next thing that I'm gonna use is this Milk and Honey moisturizer cream. It's a moisturize, detangle, and condition. Ooh, child. Yeah, it's from Native Child. Native Child products are so gang expensive. This is not like a sponsor video or something like that. I'm just gonna put this plastic on and come back tomorrow. You're literally not South African enough if you've never used dishwasher as your shampoo. I don't know why I've done that. Okay, I've done that because I didn't have shampoo first. And I was scared of like asking mama. And yeah. So right now I'm just gonna use my scarf thingy. So I can like keep the heat inside. Yeah, so I can like keep the heat inside and yeah, we'll come back tomorrow. Literally guys, this is the amount of hair I've lost, which is quite normal since it's winter and stuff like that. My hair likes being big. So this is the hair that I've lost. Every single time when I, you know, comb my hair, there's literally a few parts where I lose. But yeah. Actually guys, I'm gonna put this, I look like a duck. But I'm gonna put this plastic for like 30 minutes on out, but I'm still gonna leave my detangle thingies on and stuff like that until tomorrow. And then I unpacked it.
So while I wait for 30 minutes, I thought I should catch my favorite movie, To All the Boys I Love, on Netflix. Be sure to check it out, and yeah, see you tomorrow.
Hi guys, it's another day, and guess what? I literally sat with these things for 2 days now because today is Friday and the previous tips were filmed on like Wednesday. So yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna be unplatting this today because I have to go do my hair and stuff. So this is the products that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using a Love Kind. I'm gonna show you if you guys can see it. A Love Kind, it benefits with hair loss, breakage, helps with scalp issues, increases hair strength and promotes growth. And another product that I'm gonna be using is the oil from it. Oh my gosh, the oil from it. You see? Yeah. Okay, the exposure is too much, but yeah, that's nice. Today I'm gonna be using the Dermasil Trust Hair, Scalp and Skin Conditioner. Yeah, I'm gonna be using these 3 products. And yeah, let's just get unplatted. I'm done unbraiding. So right now I'm just gonna wanna soothe my scalp and just put on this oil. Guys, if you don't have oil like this, you could just use castor oil or any oil that you have maybe. Something that I love about this is this pointy thing. It allows you to like, you know, just, I don't know, just enjoy yourself, I guess. And just let it run through there. I just hope YouTube doesn't like Oh, my dad just sent me a text, guys. I have a huge story time that I have to do and stuff like that. Blah blah. And you know, because I don't want these lines in my head right now. So that's why I'm doing this. But next I'm gonna my hairline is declining. It's decline. Guys, this smells so good. Honestly, you know what, Mati? It smells like some sweet, man. It's just that I can't. Love candy. Yeah. Oh, love candy. Try it. But it smells like that. I'm just gonna just rub it on my hairline because you're not in a decline now. But yeah. I promise y'all, this is not how my hair turns out sometimes. This is literally not how my hair turns out. This doesn't look good. But it looks more like way more bigger in some kind of way. I think the problem is this camera, honestly. As soon as I switch this camera on, everything goes wrong for some reason. Like literally everything goes wrong as soon as I switch this camera on. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. it's a mess. It's honestly a mess. But anyway, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. But anyway, guys, I think this is the end of the video. I don't know how my hair turned out on the screen, honestly. This is the end of today's video. Hope you guys checked out my previous video. And yeah, guys, until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. And yeah, I'm gonna share the details of the products that I used down in the description box. But anyway, until next time, you guys, love and light.